human connection is missing. If you see today, everybody is all about work, work, work,
Hmm.
and there is no actual conversation happening. I have no experience of hospitality. I did not know how to make coffee. I knew nothing about anything that happens here.
ओ बना कोई भी
So,
चलता है उसको चलाना मेन होता है
you won't believe there is no drawing of this place on paper. मुझे नहीं पता था कि मेरी बनाई हुई चीज लोगों को इतनी अच्छी लगी.
and I also want to know how do you manage your time like managing 3 different industries.
My customers serve my food. बारिश आने वाली है और हल्की सी बारिश आई. I cried in front of all stall owners. They came to me, अरे यार हर्ष भाई चिंता मत करो, हमको रेंट भी वापस नहीं चाहिए. We understand कि ये आपके हाथ में नहीं है.
What message would you like to give to today's generation? So hi Harsh, I want to know how you started your journey as in real estate, as a urban planner, and also the founder of Mole. So three in one.
It's a long 16-year journey. So I studied urban planning only because I did not study architecture. So I have a construction firm since 2010. Now, when you already have people working for something, you wouldn't want to study that. You would want to study something more so that you can expand.
Okay.
That's when I decided I would want to study urban planning and design. So that's what I did in CEPT, and then I did my post graduation in New York. There is a nice design school called Pratt. I did urban design from there. So technically, I have an expertise from civil engineering to urban design to urban plan. So from a house to a city, I can actually make anything in the vicinity. So that's what I do. About the journey, I think I'm still trying to find what drives me more to work. But somewhere I've tried to balance it in a way that there is something that you have as a bread butter, which is again construction. So that's one. But then I also try to practice what I've studied so that it does not go to waste. One second, also it should help people. Whatever I've studied, there is a huge demand outside India, but somewhere I felt it is more needed in the developing countries and underdeveloped countries. That's where I came back to India,
Okay.
and I feel it is needed more in India. We need infrastructure, we need planned cities, we need planned neighborhoods, we need safe and accessible neighborhoods. So all of this is has what made me work as a planner. So I do work as a planner for few cities. Currently, I'm working in Arunachal Pradesh. I'm working on 3 towns. Apart from that, so in civil engineering, what I felt is the human connection is missing. If you see today, everybody is all about work, work, work,
Hmm.
and there is no actual conversation happening. That's where this thought came, like, what if there is a place where you can just be? You don't have to think why you are here, what you're doing, anything. I mean, just take a pause. Just take a pause, bring somebody in, talk to them without using your phone. So that's where in 2021 I started conceptualizing Mold. Ki, what happens if there is a place where people can come together, learn something together, experience something together. So that's how I started, working on Mold. And we had this beautiful place since 1991.
Since 1991.
Yes. So
Okay, and then you converted this into a cafe.
exactly. So
Okay.
in our language, urban planning language, it is called adaptive reuse. So you reuse the existing structure that is there since so many years. So basically, you give a new purpose to something. Isn't that something we need?
Yeah.
So that's how I started working on this. So it took 2 years to
Figure it out.
yes, and also so a lot of things here are made from waste. So whatever scrap we had here, so from this table to this chairs, everything is made from waste. So it's like good 2 year journey where I also understood a lot of things like uh, वो बोलते हैं ना कि details is where you work more. I truly understood it while I was working on that. So so from civil engineering to this, I've done like a lot of things, and I'm still doing a lot of things just to figure out what I genuinely thrive for.
Okay. So the mold is a place where people come, sit, they don't use phone, right? And you have also started an event called Makers Festival, right? Where
Yes.
community come here and do, which is very rare.
Yes, yes,
Huh.
yes.
So what is that concept about?
So when I launched this place in 2023 December, uh, I did not know how to tell people that okay, there is this new space you can visit, or you can have an experience in. So there is one nice friend of mine, Rahul. We got together and we were brainstorming like how do we do it. That's where the idea of Makers Festival came into existence, where we thought of having like not exactly a flea market, but more like a pop up. So it's like few stalls, and then
I've seen people waiting for it. कि
Exactly.
कब हो रहा है, कब हो रहा है.
Yes. So it is like stalls, festivals, and it's more like a day out. जो हम बचपन में करते थे ना, आई थिंक 90s किड वुड प्रोबेबली अंडरस्टैंड दिस, कि हम वो दिन का वेट करते थे कि कब हम दोस्तों के साथ ऐसे लंच बॉक्स लेके बाहर जा सके.
हाँ.
That is what I wanted to give people. So that is how we thought of Makers Festival. It was just 15-day planning, and we executed it on 10th of December 2023. That was first, and 350 people came. It was ticketed, registration based.
The first event,
Yes.
right?
Nothing you'll get in return. You give 350 just to 250 just to forget. You don't know what is going to happen inside. You don't know what is being offered, but people came. That's where I realized. Like then, a lot of people came to me that day, and they were like, why don't you do this for long? Why are you doing it just for a day? Because the crowd was different. They were more involving. So like they helped me set up the stall. They helped me with a lot of things.
So the
right
community
on the
came
maker's side.
together and created that entire event.
Exactly.
That's the beauty of it.
So and then from there we started doing it for 2 days. So what changed after that was we would tell people 1 or 2 months prior that we are going to do this on this day. We need you a month prior to that for decorations, for a lot of things here. The changes we want to make for the DJ.
Okay.
And they will come every day in the evening. They'll make lamps. They'll make a lot of decorative stuff. And
So that's the environment you have created, that
Yeah.
safe place for them. Otherwise, why would people come अपना खर्चा करके and make everything for a
absolutely.
festival?
And not just that. I mean, even for first 3 edits, no artist has charged me.
Oh,
All of them performed for free because they
Okay.
also saw the intention, and also the stall people. They every time I did Makers Festival, one thing that has been constant is whenever they leave, they'll tell me next time they're coming.
that's the
No
best
matter
part.
what is the charge, no matter what is the rent, no matter how big or small it is going to be, they're going to be there.
I've seen the hype. I personally, my friends used to come here and they are like, हम जा रहे हैं, इधर है, इधर है. तब वो because they live far away, still they don't mind coming here,
Yes.
right? They don't mind coming from there till here just for that particular 2 days, and they'll not come for a single day. They'll come 2 days constantly over here.
Yes, yes, absolutely. And it's also because see, Ahmedabad is a very small community. If you see people who are into art, design, who are into more intellectual, open, free stuff, it's very small and close knit. So when they see makers coming, they know that they are going to meet a lot of people they know haven't met, and
हाँ, some new, fresh, strange
conversations.
people.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that is also something that Makers Festival offers. Like there are no judgments. You can actually talk to people. You can actually meet new people in a very free setup. And this is something I'm not saying because it happens here, but this is genuinely something you cannot get anywhere else. I've tried to do it before 2021 so many times, but I couldn't find anywhere. That is why I built it.
Okay.
So yeah, and Mold has now a very close knit community, I think.
Yes, they have.
So
Yeah,
very
yeah.
very nice.
You
And there's-
created that safe place for the people actually.
Absolutely.
And I also want to know how do you manage your time, like managing 3 different industries. मतलब एक भी एक से रिलेटेड नहीं, मतलब ये चल रहा है तो ये दूसरा ही अरुणाचल प्रदेश में आपका प्रोजेक्ट चल रहा है एंड देन यू आर आल्सो अवेलेबल एट द मोल्ड आल्सो. So how do you
So-
focus? How do you manage your timings and everything? How
I
do you
think-
plan?
So I think that boost is also I've got from people who come here. So
Okay.
I'll tell you how. See, construction is something that you have to be there, like on specific timings. So that is something non-negotiable.
Okay.
But now, what is negotiable is me working as a designer and me running Mold. Working as a designer helps me breathe intellectual thoughts. So that's where me doing something good for people comes on paper. So that is my getaway from the construction
To urban planning.
Yes. So it's like I take a break from construction so that I can do urban planning. Now me coming to
Mold.
Mold
Huh?
is basically me giving them, like people who come here, them an escape.
Huh.
So in these two things I also do thoda samaj seva, where it is more like giving people an escape to their reality.
It is more of an experience thing rather than a particular
Yes.
food or something.
Yes. So when you do that, no, you at the end you get what you need is that satisfaction that you did something today.
Huh.
That is what I get it from Mold, because you're doing something for somebody else. Design is something that I do for myself. That's my soul food.
Okay, and this you are giving away to the people,
Yes.
right?
Yes. And construction is, again, as I said, bread butter. You have to run your house too. I mean, you have to earn bread butter, and then you have to do a lot of stuff. So whatever I earn there, I can spend it here.
Okay.
So that's also something I would want to do. So yeah.
So yeah, but the concept is really like nice that you are recycling stuff and making everything and not focusing on the luxury, but also the experienced people over here gets the good experience over here.
You won't believe. Um, I think everybody knows current situation because of gas problem, because
Yes,
of lot
yes,
of things. There is a staff shortage also.
Yes, a huge.
Yeah. So 2 weeks back, I did not have staff in my front counter. My customers serve my food,
Oh,
so they were roaming around with that tray, giving food and coffees to other customers. So that is how. So sometimes I also get surprised. It is not only me doing. So I did start this place, yes, but then it's the community also that helped each other.
yeah, that
And-
lifts each other. Yeah.
And serving people feels okay is something that I was surprised about. I mean,
Even I'm surprised to listen
Yeah.
this. Huh? When people actually step into any cafe, they'll expect कि ये भी चाहिए इतने time में चाहिए ऐसा नहीं है. They'll put the review immediately. But over here, the
Yeah.
things are completely different.
यहाँ पे उल्टा है. They'll so if I have a lot of people, lot of customers, there are some people who would just come in the kitchen. They'll be like, हर्ष भाई आप order लो मैं बना देता हूँ, या आप बनाओ मैं order ले लेता हूँ. So that is how it is. So it's a community kitchen, community cafe, and I think I would want to keep it like that. I don't want to run this place. I want people to run this place, just with one thought in mind that whatever they do should do good to people. So I've seen people cry here. I've seen people laugh here. I've seen people make friends here. So
Okay.
this place has been that good safe space for people, home away from home sort of thing.
It is like that because it is in nature. You can actually listen the sound of birds while talking and not the traffic sound is going around.
Yeah, at this hour, if you listen to birds, what else you would need?
Fine. What message would you like to give to today's generation? Like they are even how they should follow their passion and get inspired by you.
I think
But somewhere they get stuck with their professional thing and cannot get time for this. Then how they should follow it?
see before that message, like there's one little thought I would want to share. A lot of people say that because I have a good backup, I could start mold. Otherwise, I couldn't have, because I run a construction firm, so it's
Hmm.
easy for me to work this
But
much.
then I come to that point कि to build something and
Yes,
to give an experience, there is a huge difference.
exactly.
बना कोई भी
So
सकता है, उसको चलाना मेन होता है.
yes, so and I always tell people that it is also, see, your intention, कुछ भी हो जाए, कितना भी लंबा टाइम हो जाए, even if you have an intention, it does not count unless and until you don't act on it. You can start with small. I did not imagine this place to be a very huge, like, bringing 7,000 people in 2 days wala place. I just wanted 5 people. Plain simple. I did not think that there will be 100 people at one point of time. Point is, if you really want to do something and if you are passionate about something, you will find your cult. You'll find your people. Just start doing it. I have no experience of hospitality. आई हैव नो क्लू कि पास्ता अगर बनता है तो उसकी रेसिपी क्या है. जब बनी थी तब पता था कि ऐसे बनाना है, फिक्स किया था. उसके बाद अब मुझे नहीं पता है. आई डिड नॉट नो हाउ टू मेक कॉफी. आई न्यू नथिंग अबाउट एनीथिंग दैट हैपेंस हियर.
But because your thought process was something else.
People started coming here, they taught me a lot of things. Me learning pizza from a YouTube, say me making a nice espresso shot after calibration of coffee grinder, is something that people have taught me. So, point is, if you like something, if you're really passionate about something, just start doing it.
Execution
If
is main.
yeah, if you are going to get stuck somewhere, you will find somebody who will come. नहीं नहीं ऐसे काम कर ऐसे कर दे. There will be people like this. You'll find your people. They'll help you out, and they'll walk with you as well. So that is something. Just do it. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या होगा वो नहीं होगा. At least वो अफसोस नहीं रहेगा कि I did not do it.
True.
I fought for this place for like 2 years. My father is in a real estate. Explaining him to make something like this is a huge task. I think everybody who's into real estate would understand this. And I fought for it for like good 2 years, and then I did this.
Oh.
So it's not something that, like, one day I woke up and decided like
और
this
वो
is,
हो गया ऐसे नहीं होता है. Everyone has their own struggles.
yes.
Yes.
I've cried a lot for this place. And not just me, a lot of other people also. जैसे हमारे community manager थे प्रियांशी, she is also this attached. Even if she comes here, she doesn't work here anymore. But if she comes here, visits this place, she would still be like, sir, ये यहाँ पे allowed नहीं है, sir, ये यहाँ पे allowed नहीं. That is how it is. So yeah, I mean, people will join once you start working on it.
Execution is main. We should not have a second thought about
Absolutely, absolutely not. No second thoughts, never. You decide something and you don't look back. It's as simple as that.
it. Great. I hope everyone would get inspired by this because I was inspired and I still remember कि हाँ हम कुछ महीनों पहले मिले थे for one particular thing and that could not happen. So I'll come and meet you. You invited me, but I didn't make it purposefully because I always wanted to highlight you.
100%. I totally appreciate it. But yeah, I mean, tell everybody, whoever is stuck anywhere, they can always come here and ask for help. Be it mental, be it physical, be it career-wise, anything. That is exactly what this place is about. You can come and you can ask. This is what you want. You'll meet people. You'll meet somebody who'll help you here.
It was amazing,
I hope it
wonderful
was good,
conversation. It
Amal.
is good. It has to be. That's the concept of it. It is unfiltered. Whatever you spoke, you had. I mean, वो दिल से बोला होगा. उसी में से हम लोग रहेंगे सारा वो.
No, I get it, but it's just that it takes hours for me to explain what this place is.
I can completely understand
तो
because it
मेरे
took
लिए वो
years
10
for
मिनट
me.
में बोलना,
हाँ.
15 मिनट में बोलना,
बोलना
is very
नहीं हो
difficult.
सकता. Yes.
मैं इधर की हर एक चीज के लिए बता सकता हूँ कि ये टेबल इधर है, जैसे यू सेड नो कि ये अच्छा है, मैंने बताया ना कि ये क्यों ऐसा है,
Hmm.
मैं इधर एक भी चीज उठाओ यहाँ से, आई कैन एक्चुअली टेल यू व्हाई इट इज हियर, देयर इज अ स्टोरी बिहाइंड इट फॉर एवरीथिंग.
Because you created this space, you had a vision, right? Many less people have that. वो लोगों को हायर कर देते हैं, उनको बोल देते हैं इतना सेल चाहिए, इतना टारगेट है, ये है, खत्म, and they do not come back.
100%, 100%.
And then they sit on paper, table, and that black and white पे discuss करते हैं क्या हुआ. But wherein your concept is completely different.
Exactly.
You want to help people with all these stuff.
Absolutely. You won't believe there is no drawing of this place on paper.
Okay.
मैंने हर कोना ऐसे मेरी तरीके से बनाया है कि अच्छा ये विंडो मुझे इतना छोटा चाहिए, इतना लो चाहिए, so that somebody can sit on the window. So if you see inside, सामने के विंडो इज थोड़ा सा लो, तो उसके ऊपर बैठ सकते हो. तो इफ यू sit on a left corner, you can actually see the sunset.
Oh.
So sun sets in that direction. You can see that. That gate you see is made from brick molds. जो हम
Okay.
यहाँ पे यूज करते थे 25 साल, 1991 से 2021. 25 से भी ज्यादा हुआ, 30 साल.
ज्यादा हो गया, हाँ.
तो ऐसा है, ये भी उसी टाइम पे बना था. So this entire building is 35 year old.
So you haven't revamped it.
No, this floor is also that old. तो ये सब वहां से आया है. इवन ये जो मेटल के पार्ट्स, इफ यू सी नो व्हेन यू वॉक,
हम्म.
ये कॉलम्स पे लटके हुए हैं,
हम्म.
वो सब भी मेरे ट्रक के पार्ट्स हैं.
ट्रक के पास से.
ऐसे बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. ये इधर बना है, ये जो बेंच दिख रहा है वो भी वेस्ट में से बना है. सो लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स आर लाइक दैट.
Yeah, because you are a designer, you have that creative mind. Not everyone can put that heart and soul to it.
To be honest, I did not know I would, do this. मुझे नहीं पता था कि I can do this. ये बनने के बाद जब लोगों ने आना चालू किया, that is when I cried and I was like कि मुझे नहीं पता था कि मेरी बनाई हुई चीज लोगों को इतनी अच्छी लग सकती है. And I literally cried. Third makers था, fourth makers I think, third or fourth, I don't remember exact which one. बारिश आने वाली थी और हल्की सी बारिश आई. I cried in front of all stall owners. They came to me, अरे यार हर्ष भाई चिंता मत करो, हमको रेंट भी वापस नहीं चाहिए. We understand कि ये आपके हाथ में नहीं है. That is how it happened. आधा दिन पूरा मार्केट बंद रहा, फिर बारिश नहीं आई, उसके बाद फिर वापस चालू किया. And still they were happy. Nobody has asked for a refund for anything for that matter.
No, they don't, because few of my friends also take stalls over here, so I'm aware about it.
So that is how I am also prepared.
So I was very sure. You called me 2-3 times. मैं कहा whenever I'll go with something. ऐसे तो नहीं जाऊंगी.
100%. It's understandable. But so that is how it is. And I like when people feel home here.
Because the concept is different. When I meet few cafe or restaurant owners, ना, they are very professional. उन्हें नहीं पड़ी क्या होगा. उन्हें चाहिए उनके papers, और because वो उनका passion नहीं है, that is their business.
True, it's a business.
Right. So they have different thought process. And when I listened to you, and when I listened about you from people, I was very inspired. I was like, yes, I'll go, but not like this. Though you texted me, okay, come, let's meet on this day, Saturday, I told you, but I made fake promises because I was not sure whether I'll be able to start us time pe ke nahi.
नहीं, fair.
So when I started, I thought, let's highlight you. People should know how you are and what is the, vision behind it.
You won't believe this is the first time that I'm talking about mold on camera.
Really?
Never talked about it.
Really?
And I don't talk about mold outside mold also.
Oh, thanks. So I'm the first one.
Yeah.
So recently I'm meeting people who are talking about their passion for the first time on the camera. I met them during my corporate journey and I'm now highlighting them.
Oh, nice. That's very good. It's a very good, nice.
So that other people also get inspired, and if they are stuck, they get something
100%.
that यार इन्होंने किया, I can at least try doing it.
No, absolutely. नहीं होना ही चाहिए. I think that.
So by listening different stories, somehow they will be able to connect with one of them, and they might start. किसी का जिंदगी बदल जाएगा.
और आई थिंक ऐसे प्लेटफॉर्म्स होने चाहिए जहाँ पे पीपल टॉक अबाउट देयर स्ट्रगल्स, सो पीपल हु कैन नॉट टॉक अबाउट इट कैन ऑल्सो लिसन टू इट एंड फिगर आउट कि और ये भी मैं कर सकता हूँ, और
हाँ,
दिस इज
और ये
समथिंग आई
मेरे
कैन डू।
अकेले के साथ नहीं हो रहा है, ये सबके साथ हो रहा है.
हाँ, सो आई थिंक दैट इज समथिंग.
So that's the reason the show has no script, no filter. Whomsoever I'm meeting has to talk like we are having a normal conversation and they speak their heart. So they tell me कि मुझे एक दिन पहले स्क्रिप्ट बताओ, कंसेप्ट बताओ. मैंने कहा भाई कोई कंसेप्ट ही नहीं है. तुमने जो किया, तुम्हारा जो एक्सपीरियंस है, that
You
is
have
the
to
concept.
no fair, you have to share your
Your thought. तो बोले नहीं, I'll be shy, I'll be conscious. मैंने कहा nothing will happen. क्या ही हो जाना है, हम स्टॉप कर देंगे कैमरा.
नहीं होता है, होता है. नहीं, that's
So even this team is like this कि हमारा कंसेप्ट क्या है, क्या टेक्निकलिटीज है, हमें कैसे करना है, हमें नहीं पता. मैंने कहा मुझे भी नहीं पता. We'll figure it out.
नहीं होता है. नहीं, अच्छा है, नहीं होना चाहिए यार.
Great. Thanks for your time.